Who doesn't love a good block of cheese? And those round blocks with a little wedge cut out always look so appealing and really kind of cute and fun. And today, we're going to have a cute and fun time drawing one. Now, this is a circular round of cheese with a wedge cut out of it, and so we're looking at it at a slight angle. So instead of it being a circle, of course, it's an oval. That's what gives it perspective and makes it look like it's going away from us. Let's do our best to capture that perspective, because that's what makes the drawing look three-dimensional. Here we go! You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.